I'm far away.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the ASAP Automotive channel, and today we're out on a field trip because we're out here getting the exhaust put on our LSTJ. We've been waiting for this big milestone for quite a while. You know, we got the drivetrain set in a little while back, and that was a huge step. But today is one of the last big milestones in this thing, is getting this exhaust on where we can finish up everything else and get that much closer to engine start day, which is day one for us, man. We're freaking so excited. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'm so freaking excited today. Today is such a big day. It's another big milestone in this build. We are actually on our way now from the shop. We just left and loaded up, heading down to Troy's Muffler down in Anderson. If you guys watched one of our other earlier videos where we actually did the exhaust on the Tahoe, that's the shop that did it. Like we said, you know, we're gonna have them doing exhaust for this, but we're so freaking excited. This is like such a big deal for this build. It's like one of the last big things we really got to do besides some of the wiring and stuff. Just so freaking excited, man. So ready to go. And it's such a beautiful day out here for it too. Another fine South Carolina day. You know, we managed to pick the one day I think this week where it's just raining. Like yesterday and Monday were like gorgeous, nice into the 70s, which I can't complain. Like the temperature's pretty nice, so it's not that bad. It's not like literally it was snowing last Friday and now it's like in the 70s. So God bless the South. I love it. So anyways, guys, we're gonna do we might shoot some time lapse here or something for you guys, but I'm not gonna sit here and talk the whole trip. But next clip we'll be back at the shop ready to unload this thing and get on the exhaust. So stay tuned. So to give you guys a good visual on how we ended up doing this and how we routed the exhaust, which was one of our biggest questions we found, and we found a little bit of a guide with Novat on it. But so what we did is we started up here, come off of the headers themselves with a true 2.5-inch piping, and had them route this side here. On the driver's side, came on around, snaked on around, making sure we had plenty of clearance for the front diff and all that, because when this thing's flexing, if he does any off-road, that diff's going to be way up in there, so we're plenty of clearance there. Coming around, we still got plenty of air gaps, so we're not going to be overheating our oil or anything. Coming straight on back in dual 2.5-inch into a MagnaFlow setup, and coming with a 3-inch all the way on out the back, just a single on out right out here on the passenger side. So we're actually able to still use both of the factory hangers in there too, which is awesome. We originally were thinking about doing duals on this thing, but thanks to you guys and a lot of your great feedback on Facebook and on the channel, with some of you guys' experiences with it and stuff, with him possibly doing some little bit of mud, a little bit of rock crawling or stuff for this trail riding with this thing later on, everyone's like, yeah man, don't go duals, you're gonna end up hitting and stuff. And I can see why, because you know, you've got the track bar and all that, and it gets really tight over there. A lot of the same issues we had back when we were running when we had issues with the fuel system. So that'll give you guys a good visual here, you know, as to what we got going on and how we ended up doing this. So Well, guys, that's it for this episode. Another huge milestone on this project, man. We're so happy this allows us to get a bunch of other things done. It's a big stepping stone that we've been waiting to get done with, and it's so awesome. And it looks so freaking good. It did a great job. Big shout out to Troy here, Troy's Mufflers, man, and Anderson. Like I said before, when they did the Tahoe, you guys need any exhaust work here in the upstate, up North Georgia, North Carolina, Tennessee area like that, these guys are definitely the guys to go to. We're going to give a quick link to and down in either the comments or description for you guys, so you go right to them. So, man, until next time, man, we appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Awesome job.
So I appreciate y'all coming all the way you do.
Oh yeah, thanks, man. You guys really we're gonna get some more videos and show you guys some of the great exhaust work they did on here. And remember, until next time, stock is not an option.